Now in this lecture we will learn what is trend and understand how market respond with trend. The price chart of a security may appear like a random distribution, but this is not so. Market always moves with the trend unless any external force pushes it in the opposite direction. A simple definition of trend is the general direction of price movements on a specified time. Technical analysis is mainly based on demand and supply. If demand exceeds supply, the price will rise, and if supply exceeds demand, the price will fall. We can see these rise and fall movements on a price chart, and the overall direction of these rise and fall movements makes a trend for the prices. On the chart, these rise and falls are seen in the form of peak and trough. Each high is known as the peak or top of the swing, and each low is known as the trough or bottom of the swing. So these are the various peaks or tops, and these are the troughs or bottoms of the trend. Trends are generally of three types: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. In an uptrend, peaks and troughs are higher and higher. Each top is higher than the previous one, and each bottom is higher than the previous one. Again, this is the next top and it is higher than the previous top, and this is the next bottom and this is higher than this level, this bottom. So, in an uptrend, we get higher tops and higher bottoms. Here demand exceeds supply and makes the prices move higher and higher, and we say that the market is bullish. In the uptrend, we should buy because the trend pushes the price higher and higher, and we make more and more profit. In a downtrend, there are successive lower peaks and troughs. This is the top and this is the bottom. Again, this is the top and this is the bottom. But we can see this is the downtrend and each top is lower than the previous one, and each bottom is lower than the previous one. So this top is also lower than this top, so this is also the lower top, and this bottom is lower than this bottom, so this is the lower bottom. So in a downtrend, we get lower tops and lower bottoms. Here supply is more than the demand, and we say that it is a bear phase. The prices move down lower and lower, and we can't make profit by buying stocks in a downtrend. Instead, we should withdraw from our position at the starting of the downtrend and end of the uptrend. In downtrend also, we can make money by trading, but this is possible in derivative markets only. We can sell futures and options of this stock or an index and make profit even in declining phase of the market. Besides uptrend and downtrend, there is one more trend, that is the sideways trend. Or we can say that market is ranging or trendless. Here demand and supply are in balance and price movement confined between a range. These are horizontal trends and there is little movement up and down. We shouldn't trade when the trend is flat and market is in sideways trend. However, if the confined range is wide, we can take advantage of this range by buying at the bottom of the range and selling at the top of the range. In addition to the direction, trend is also defined in terms of their length. That we will learn in the next lecture. Thanks for watching the lecture.